Selecting security solutions that meet the unique needs of your organization can be a real challenge. If you find yourself with a limited life safety and security budget, it can feel impossible. There's a lot to consider when deploying new or enhanced security and life safety systems, including project planning, installation, configuration, service, support, and of course, cost. Our DSC Managed Security offerings were designed to empower organizations with the ability to deploy enterprise-caliber security and life safety solutions at a price they can afford. DSC Managed Security solutions are the ideal solution for organizations searching for a solution-as-a-service option to meet their security needs. We offer options for simplified video surveillance and access control deployments with administration, configuration, and recorded data hosted in the cloud. Our cloud-hosted solutions drastically reduce the need for expansive and cost-prohibitive network hardware, thus reducing your cost and virtually eliminating the time requirements for network system maintenance and upkeep. And purchasing the right solution for your organization couldn't be easier. Say goodbye to the large upfront expenses of traditional enterprise-class video surveillance. DSC offers clients a variety of affordable, all-inclusive monthly payment options, service, maintenance, and equipment replacement included. Every DSC Managed Security solution is custom designed to meet the unique needs of each of our clients. From installation, system administration, and staff training to all-inclusive preventative maintenance, inspections, service, and even regular hardware upgrades, DSC delivers what you need to protect your people, property, and assets. To find out more about DSC Managed Security solutions for video surveillance and access control, visit us today at thinkdsc.com.